Tinkercad as our primary design software because one, it's free. It runs on the Chromebook as well as Mac OS and PC, and the other options just don't really fit our needs. And it's an interface that allows a student to really kind of come up with an idea in their head and very quickly model it in a three-dimensional space. The technology has advanced to the point where you really don't need a whole lot of expertise when it comes to 3D printing now. A lot of the user features that used to be embedded in coding are now just selectable features on the 3D printer itself. So really it's just a matter of if you can read a screen, if you can select things from a touchscreen menu, then you can 3D print items. I think the most challenging part is having that three-dimensional sketch in Tinkercad and then trying to, when you print it, having the dimensions match in reality. Students have to consider the fact that we're melting plastic and then extruding it onto a surface, and so that takes a little bit of time for it to cool, and as it does, it kind of like almost like if you're trying to make a three-dimensional model with Elmer's glue, like it's going to start to spread out before it actually sets up and hardens. So you have to take that into account when you dimension your parts. Currently in robotics, they were challenged to redesign the wheel, make a new off-road style wheel for the current robotics kits, and we're in the process of finalizing the design of the attachment hubs to connect the wheels to the robot. I'm aware that we at least had the 3D printer on site over a year ago, but as far as actually utilizing it with students, I think this is probably like the first year we've really been using it at the high school level with student projects.